would like to show you a simple demo on data analysis with Python, week 1, lab 1. So basically the demo is about just importing the data sets. So basically we have I think like 5 labs. So I'll start with just the importing data sets. So this is basically like labs cognitive class AI provided by Coursera, especially designed by I think IBM. So let's wait until it's ready. So basically it's in Jupyter notebook. Okay, it's ready. So basically it's just 10 minutes. So you'll be able to like acquire data in various ways, obtain insights from data with Python library. Okay, so this is just the data source. We have CSV. Okay, first we need to import the Pandas library as, let's say, describe as PD, and then this is the path for the data sets. Then we're going to read the CSV file. So it doesn't have header. Let's run it. Okay, let's run. Okay, and then if you want to check the first 5 rows of the data sets, so what you basically do is df data frame dot head, then number of rows you want to see, and then if you want to see the tail, the bottom 10, then you can just do df dot tail, then 10. Okay, let's go. And the next is suppose the data set we have doesn't have the headers. So if you want to add headers, first you describe headers and then you name all the headers. Then suppose, let's say you want to print it. Okay, that's all the headers we want, right? So but if you want to put into the data sets, you have to do df.columns, then headers. Then let's see if it's gonna show. So as you can see now, you can see all the headers. Next, let's say we want to like drop missing values for column price. Let's say if you want to check here, the price doesn't have price as a missing value here. So let's say if you want to remove, basically drop the missing values, you could do df.drop na, and then the price x is 0. So let's run it. Cool. Now the price has been removed. The rows of price, the missing value is removed. Now let's say we want to like print, now we want to print the columns. Okay, cool. Suppose if you want to save the data sets, you do df.toCSV. Okay, and let's see, this one you just want to run it. So like there is an example, if you want to save like JSON file, you could just do pd.read. So if you want to save it to JSON, if you want to read JSON file, is read JSON. So there's like Excel, HTML, SQL files. So if you want to print the data types, it's just df.dtypes Python. So like where is objects or integer 64 or float. If you want to describe the file, we just do df.describe. So basically it shows all the statistical summary of each column: count, mean value, standard deviations. The count, mean, standard deviations, mean 25%, max. Okay, so this only shows like few values, but if you want to show all the data, then you can just do include all. Okay, next is, let's say if you want to just describe for only a few columns, then you can just name the columns here. Oh, what happened? Oh yeah, it should be like this, and like this. Okay, let's try to run it. Cool. And the other ways is if you can just do df.info. It's taking time, yeah. That's the other way to see the informations. But that's all for the first lab. Let me stop this recording.